Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make an image editable in Photoshop. For two, step 1 simple image and step 2 index image. Let's begin. First of all, open your image. I open this image. Okay. Then simply lock, double click and name. Type your name here. Okay. And edit. Use edit. And step 2, edit smart object. Select, click the layer, right click on your mouse is raster layer, then apply this. Okay, and step 3, edit index image. Go to image mode, select RGB color, then edit. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.